Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. I'm here with a haul. It's from my local dollar store. I would call it more of a variety store. They have stuff at all prices. So I like to go here. They have very good deals. I love going to this store. And it's called Value Zone. And I have been talking about this store for years. So let me get into this haul. Now, this is like an unbelievable deal. I got the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes. See how big this is? Let me see how many are in here. It's listed. 216 wipes, disinfectant wipes. 99 cents. 99 cents. I got 3 of them, y'all. The second one. And here's the third one. So these are good for wiping down your doors. I use it to clean my bathroom. Like when the bathroom needs a touch up, these are really, really good. And when they don't have this kind, they have another one I showed you before. And it is a good deal for 99 cents. But you don't get as much as you do in those packets. Can you believe that? 216 wipes per package. 99 cents. Cannot beat it. If you have a value zone in your area, go and hit them up and see what they got going on in there. I got the LA's Totally Awesome orange. You can also get this at Dollar Tree. I believe I paid either $1.29 or $1.49. So that's still a decent deal. They're $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So, and I got a Tide. It's from another country, 99 cents. And I got another one. You know what? Even when I don't need laundry detergent, when I see deals like this, I get it because, like I always say, it doesn't smell like the regular Tide, but it cleans well like Tide does. So, and it is Tide. It's just a little different. The fragrance is different. I got the Hardy Bags wastebasket bags. 8 gallon. There's 20 bags in here. And I think it was $1.99 or something like that. That's a good deal. I spilled something in the bag, so this and some other products, the box is going to be messed up. I got my favorite Hardy bags. It's messed up too. And this is 15 bags, heavy duty tall kitchen bags. Very good. And it's $1.79. Can't beat it. I got some more gloves. They're $1.29. The other ones that they had that was longer on the arm, I wasn't able to find those. Maybe they have to reorder those. I have the Plenty paper towels. And I don't know if this is 99 cents. The price is not up there. I think it is like 89 or 99 cents. Got the Nivea Orchid and Cashmere Extract body wash. Naturally Caring Me Moment for touchably smooth skin, dermatologically tested. They don't have a price up here, so this is probably like $1.99 or maybe $2.99. And it smells like baby powder. It smells so good. I got the U scent boosters, the Mountain Breeze. And these are the laundry beads. And it smells good. I think I like the smell of the ones from Dollar Tree better than this, but it's still a good deal. And this was $1.79. That's still a good deal. If you see these, pick them up, okay? Okay, so now I got this hand soap. I was making a big deal out of it when I was getting it for $1 or something, like $1.58, something like that. Now they're 99 cents. Nice big bottle. I got 2 of them. Yes, it's 99 cents. You cannot beat it. And how many ounces is this? 67 ounces. It's 2 liters. So you're getting 4 liters for just about $2. You cannot beat that, y'all. So I think Value Zone is concentrated more in the Northeast. But check out, maybe look online and see if they have some in different areas around the country. Because it may even be going by a different name. I think in New York, it goes by a different name. I forgot what the name is, but it's like a variety store. So something else I got in the Value Zone bag here. So I needed some new bedding for my bed. So I got this quilted set here, and it is Comfort Bay Plinted Reversible Full Queen Quilt. Includes 1 quilt. Now, they had the ones with the pillowcases. This one didn't. You see there, it was $12.99, y'all. So you can't beat that. That's a good deal. I'm not going to open it, but that's what it looks like. Okay, and it feels pretty good. These, you grab them up, and then when they start looking bad, then you just toss them. And then I got, it's called Cool Home, and it's the standard pillowcases. And this was $2.99. Let me see how these feel. I know these gonna feel a little cheap. Yeah, they do. They feel a little cheap. Oh, they're not that, they're thin, but they're not that bad. No, they're not that bad. Not that bad at all. Not bad at all. So check around in your town, or maybe the closest town over from you, and see whether sometimes these stores are just called like a 99-cent store, and then they have, you know, like Family Dollar don't have all dollar stuff. Sometimes they are variety stores. You see a little store on the side of the road or something, they selling all kinds of things. Go in there and see what's going on in that store, because they may not have all good deals, but you're going to find some good deals in there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. And please comment, please subscribe, please share.